for taking away all our worries. He is the man. And of course, another man here beside me, Mr. Ener. Hindi sinama yung pangalan niya sa acknowledge.
And for all of you who attended this great occasion, without your support and participation, this reunion will still remain an elusive dream for all of us. Let us hold our heads high, as this is something we can truly be proud of. Thank you all. So Batch 83, onward to year 2013 for our 30th year anniversary. Hep hep! Hep hep!
Hooray!
Hep hep!
Hooray!
Farewell, my brothers, till we meet again. Good evening and God bless us all. Enjoy the rest of the evening. And one more thing, one last award to be given. May I call on, wala si Elena, so may I call on Dr. Leo Medina to award the Certificate of Appreciation to Ms. Rhoda Guevara. As chairwoman of the organizing committees, this certificate represents not only Rhoda, but the entire organizing committee, to officers and members. So may I call on the officers and members to join our chairwoman in receiving the award.
Appreciation to Rhoda S. Guevara for having shared her precious time, support, dedication, and undying commitment as chairwoman of OCNHS or Longapo City National High School Batch 1983 Alumni Homecoming. Given this 20th day of January 2008, Zorable Grand Leisure Hotel, Subic Bay Freeport Zone, signed by Elena Mercado, Class Salutatorian, and Pedro Maninan, Class President, OCNHS Batch 1983. Dang, congratulations. So we have Bart and Claudine and Preseline and other officers, okay, who are deeply appreciated in putting all these efforts together. As represented by Dang Guevara, the woman of the hour.
Undertakes more than he possibly can do, he will never do all that he can.
In the words of Woodrow Wilson, he said, "I had rather be defeated in a cause that will ultimately triumph than triumph cause that will ultimately be defeated." Yesterday, Class 83 dared to struggle. Today, it won. Batch 83, this is the batch of achievers. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As we sing our community song, this is Ruel de Malanta and Luchi Dagale saying, see you on 2013.
On our 30th.
Please rise for our community song. Let us all hold our hands together and let us renew our commitment that by 2013, we are all going to be here, same spot perhaps, but with greater number of attendance.
Hindi maawat sa isang isa, madalas sasambay sa cafeteria, isang barkada kay saya, lagi may hawak-hawak na dara, kundi ludyog ang kakanta. Kay simple lang ang buhay mo, walang mabibigan na suliranin. Problema lamang lagi kulang ang bato. Sana napunta ang panahon. Sana nga ba, sana nga ba, sana napunta ang panahon. Sana nga ba, sana nga ba, sana napunta ang panahon. Sa unang ikaw kayo magkasama, magkasawat sa pangbobola, walang sikreto kayong inatago, o kay sarap ng sahang barkada. Nagkawataan na sa koleyo, kanya-kanya na ang lakaran, kahit minsanan na lang magkita, magkakaibigay hindi nawala. At kung saan na naman ang ilan, eskwela, pag magkasama nagwawala. Napakahirap palimutan ang saya ng aming samahan. Kahit lumipas na ang ilang taon, magkabarkada na hirap ngayon. Magkaibigan, magkaibigan, magkaibigan pa rin ngayon. Magkaibigan, magkaibigan, magkabarkada pa rin ngayon. Magkaibigan, magkaibigan, magkaibigan pa rin ngayon. Magkaibigan, magkaibigan,
Very emotional. Parang ayaw na natin umalis, no? Our next community song is that. So, may we continue our community song through... I think this is the one that expresses the deepest aspiration of our batch. Sama lang tayo doon, nagtatrabaho tayo.